In this video, I'll be showing you how you can change countries you connect on Windscribe VPN. So you can see my past connection was on Vancouver, that's Canada. I'm going to show you how you can be changing this type of countries. Yeah, if you want to connect to the UK, you want to connect to the US and Canada and Germany. These are all free countries you can be connecting on Windscribe VPN. So all you're going to do is when you see the star there behind it, it means it's pro. You need a pro version before you can use it. But then when you see this without any sort of star, you just tap on the plus button to open it, and you can see Atlanta Peachtree is free, but then Atlanta Mountain and then all these Dallas and the rest are all premium. Yeah, so now we can connect to Atlanta here by just tapping on that, and it's connecting. Now let's try to turn it off, and now let's come back, and now let's say we want the UK, so we tap on the UK like this. No, this is automatic. We need to scroll to find the UK. So let's say we want to connect in Canada, which is Canada West. We open that, and you can see Calgary, Vancouver, and all are premium, but then this Vancouver is free. And you see, you tap on that, you can connect. Good. So it's very much simple and easy. You just need to glance through and find the countries. You can see France and Germany have some free service. You have Paris, you can connect any of them, but Marseille, you can connect to Marseille. You need a pro version. And same apply to Germany. You can connect to Frankfurt, but you can't connect to Berlin. You tap on the Frankfurt, and it's going to work. So that's it on how you switch servers on Windscribe VPN. If you are new here, give me a like and you subscribe to my channel. That's it for the video. Peace.